Welcome to aminacademy.com. In GMAT, let us do quantitative practice test. Look at these examples. A certain jacket was marked down 20% the first week and another 20% the next week. What percent of the regular price was the final cost of the jacket after two markdowns? Here, the first marked price MP equal x dollars. Now first 20% reduction of 20% reduction of x is 20 over 100 x, which gives 1 over 5x. Now therefore SP selling price of 1, that is after first reduction the selling price is, the original mark price is x, the reduction is 1/5 of x, which gives 4/5 of x dollars. Now in second reduction, is also 20%. Therefore SP2, that is selling price after the second reduction, is already selling price of the selling price after first reduction is 4 over 5x minus 20% of the 4 over 5x, that is 4 over 5x into 20%. Now which is, first here SP2 is the selling price of after second reduction is 4 over 5x minus 4 over 5x into 20% is already 1 over 5, that is 4 over 25. 4 over 25x. By simplifying, multiply first factor with 5, that is 4 into 5 is 20 over 25x minus 4 over 25x, which gives 16 over 25x. This is the selling price after the second reduction. Now we have to find what percent of a regular price was the final cost of the jacket after the two markdowns. Here the ratio, that is, you can write 16 over 25x, the original cost is x, into 100, the x and x cut, so 125 cut as 4, that 4 into 16 is 64, 64%. So our option is 64%, that is E. Now question number 8. 20 typists can type 48 letters in 20 minutes. Then how many letters will 30 typists working at the same rate complete in 1 hour? Here 20 typists can type 48 letters in 20 minutes. Therefore one typist can type 48 over 20 letters in 20 minutes. Which therefore 30 typists they can type in 20 minutes is 48 over 20 into 30. Then this is in 1 hour in 20 minutes. Then we can say in 1 hour 30 typists in 1 hour can do, like, you can write here 48 over 20 into 30. Here it is in 20 minutes. We need in 1 hour. There is 3 20 minutes are there in 1 hour, so multiply with 3. So the final answer is 0 cut, and this cut as 24 into 9. Here 24 into 3 into 3, that is 24 into 9 is 216 letters. Therefore we can say 30 typists can type 216 letters in 1 hour. So our option is D. Here question number 9. What is the final balance of a bank account after 2 years if the starting balance is $1,000 at an annual rate of 5% interest using simple interest? Assume no other money was withdrawn or deposited. Now the first initial deposit, that is P, equal $1,000, and rate of interest R equal, or percent equal 5%. The time, that is number of years, N equal 2 years. Here therefore interest, simple interest N after 2 years of the deposit of 1000 is P E R over 100. P is 1000, P is time period is 2 years, rate of interest is 5 over 100. So this cut, so it becomes $100. He earns the interest as $100. Now final balance equal, already he deposited is 1000, he earned interest 100, so this is $1,100. So this option is D. Next question. Which of the following has the smallest numerical values? Here first we will calculate everything. Here 2 power 3, 2 power 2 is 2 power 5, which gives 32. 2 into 2 into 2 5 times is 32. 2 power 6 is 32 into 64. Here also, this also 2 power 5 into 2 power 5 is 2 power 6. Here 2 power 5 into 2 power 1 is 2 power 6. Here 2 power 2 into 3 is also 2 power 6. Here 2 power 3 is 8, and 3 power 3 is 27. So of course here 8 into 27 is greater than that 32. So our smallest numerical value is first one, option A. Next one. How many liters of 40% iodine solution need to be mixed with 35 liters of a 20% iodine solution to create 35% iodine solution? Here first 40% of iodines, how many means, so let x be the number of liters of 40% solution is added, that is 40% x plus then 20% of 35 liters, that is 25% of 35 liters, which gives 35% of the total added is here x liters plus 35 liters. So here 40% you can write as 40 over 100 x, 20% you can write as 20 over 100 x into 35 equal 35% equal 35 by 100 into x plus 35. Every 100 is cut here, so we have 40x plus 20 into 35 is 700 equal 35 into x is 35x plus 35 into 35 is 1225. Now solving, that is 40x minus x equal 1225 minus 700, which gives 105. Therefore we can say 40x minus 35x which gives 5x equal 105, which 5 is equal, not 105 here, 525, that is 1225 minus 700 is 525, here 525, therefore x gives 525 over 5, which gives 105. So we had to add 105 liters of 40% solution to get 35% of iodine solution. So our option is D. Now question number 12. It takes Steve 6 hours to tile a floor and Cheryl 4 hours to tile the same floor. How long would it take both Steve and Cheryl to tile the floor if they worked together? Here first we will calculate individual things. Here Steve have 6 hours work to finish the tile work, means 1/6 of the hour, 1 over 6 of the work he can finish in 1 hour, and then Cheryl by 4 hours, that is 1/4 of the work he can finish. So which is equal, if they together works is 1 over x, 1 over x part of the work should be finished. So we have to calculate this. So LCM is 24, then here 4 plus 6 equal 1 over x, which gives 10 over 24 equal 1 over x. Therefore x equal 24 over 10 hours, which is x equal 2.4 hours, which means 2 hours. 0.4 means 4 into 6, 4 into 2.4 means 0.4 gives 24 minutes. So option B. Rest of the problem will continue in next videos. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.